Yo, what's up, guys? We got a big day today for the Rx7. Got a bunch of new parts. So we got the quick release hub coming, and we got new wheels for the Rx7. Not sure what brand, just picked them up for cheap. These aren't the wheels I'm keeping, but pretty sick. I got the seats. I got 300ZX seats that I washed the other day. I'll be slapping in the Rx7. Still kind of wet. Been drying for about like 2 days. But so I'm gonna probably test fit the wheels today, and then I think we're going to one of the homies' houses after. I got to do spark plugs, the quick release, and the wheels. But so far, and also my alternator is dying. It keeps dying, so I mean the battery keeps dying, so it's probably the alternator. We already ordered a new one, so yeah. And pretty much I'm probably gonna take a shower, get ready, and then we'll head over to the homie's house. Headed over right now. So I'll get back to you guys once we're home and working on the Rx7. Should be almost home soon. Right at the light. So every time I rev, it does this where it's hard on starts, which is definitely my spark plug. One of them, so I'm definitely gonna have to. I already bought all 4. So we should be good. Okay, so I'm back, and we got these little cover off. It's on there somewhere, and now we're gonna work at these screws right here so we can put the quick release on. I'll get back to you guys once it's done. Okay, so far I've gotten this on, but I kind of adjusted it wrong, so it's kind of crooked, so I gotta take that off. But right now we took everything apart, and just gonna put on the actual, adjust the, what is this called? I forget, whatever. But so we can, for the quick release. And so it's coming together good. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Okay, so we finished up the quick release. It's all done. I already test drove it, so but we're about to throw on. Let's see. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Now we're about to throw on the wheels in a second. So alright, so I'm about to head to my homie's house. We're gonna go get the spark plugs changed on the Rx7 because of how it's been idling and driving really bad. So I picked up some spark plugs back here somewhere. I don't know, somewhere back there. But we're headed over there. We'll probably get some food, and then let's see, get these spark plugs changed. But yeah, we're headed that way with the new quick release. I did test fit the wheels. They are kind of big for my liking, and so we're definitely going to be going down to 15s on the Rx7. But pretty much, I think that's all for right now. And then we'll be putting in the 300ZX seats in here to clean up this interior more. Take out this bucket seat that's so uncomfortable. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm at my friend's house. Damn, I hate this fucking traffic. It's fucking crazy, but you know, see what I mean? Like, I have to rev up just to get it to, because if I don't, it'll go. Not, I don't know what's not there. Right there, see? I love this fucking car so much, bro. It's so fun. We're almost at the homie's house. Be there in about 4 minutes, something like that. It's right here. So we're gonna be working on his Project Civic. They already put the motor in, so he had a blown motor with a good trans, and so now he's got a trans and a motor that he put in, but we still gotta mount all the rest of the pieces. But yeah, we'll be helping out with that. Probably go get some food, probably some wings because I'm hungry. It's super hungry. Yeah, we'll just chill around. I'll see you guys when we're there. So now we're at the gas station. Dominic's getting some gas. Just chilling inside. He went to go get me a drink. But we're about to go get some food and then probably head after to do my spark plugs. Should be straight. And then probably head home, call it a day. Yep. I'll see you guys when we're at, I think we're going to Golden Corral, so see ya. Oh fuck! Alright, what's up guys? Calling it a night. We got the quick release on, the silencer, a couple things, try to fit the wheels and stuff. But yeah, got to hang out with the homies for a bit, and spark plugs didn't go exactly how we wanted it. We need ignition coils or the wires, but we should have that next video. Should be up and running with the new alternator too as well. So peace out.